On the fridge, dun 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 dun, thing on the fridge, bum 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 bum, closing the door, bum 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 bum. I'm putting the camera here. It's something to do. I'm getting my due because it's view. Wow, that actually rhymed. It's almost art. And it kind of rhymes. I'm going to cut the first part of the vlog because it doesn't fit at all. I mean, it doesn't fit at all. I love the drinks. Oh yeah, baby. Also, guys, just check this wall out. It's like I'm patronizing Pacific Rim. That's ridiculous. That's a DVD. The neck is stuff, and that's the movie stub. And those are just handmade tree posters. So let's go down, shall we? Oh my god, there's no light. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Okay, there we go. Ting on the fridge, dun dun dun. Ting on the fridge, dun 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 dun. Ting on the fridge, dun 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 dun. Hey,